Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri ke Sorkar Jelah Phaikhmat iktanat Bording Abu Tahir Mandal haka sautrik lalengkot arajar pausan ula ke Sorkar kadang wat hikin hun shimet ban bay pisa nak bentaban kenti ke jing Pynmih Bording haka Jelah haba keren cikilat pthai kubor Mandal ula tho baga Sorkar kala Pynmih ya ka power policy bathemai ko penshulu company Pynmih Bording ban bay pisa.
We are planning to have many projects as far power generation is concerned. That's why we have notified our new power policy where we are asking even private producers also to come and invest, because the way the demand is going up, we got to see that energy is locally available in a cheaper tariff. So on that basis we are open. We have given one project already to NIPCO and they are working on it. Some land issues are there, till now we could not resolve. We hope that it will be resolved. This is the position with NIPCO.
Which area land issue?
This will be falling between Shela and Mausinam constituency.
For new power.
This is 85 megawatt hydel power project.
And what is the name of that power project?
I think this is called Umiam, something like that. We are having power projects Umiam down through 216 megawatt we generate in this basin. Then we have Leshka, 3 units are there, 126 megawatt. Then we have Ganol, 22.5 megawatts, and Sonapani and Lakro, 0.5 megawatt each. So these are the generations. 367.5 megawatt.
And what is the demand?
Demand, it depends from time to time. We are self-sufficient as of now, including the power purchase agreement with central utility like your NTPC, NSPC and OTPC and NEPCO. Umiam, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then Umtriu, new Umtriu. Then Leshka, then Gano, then Sunapani, then Lakro. We got to know about other departments also, what they are doing. There are many departments which are interlinked. Okay. So, the basic idea of the Honorable Chief Minister is to let everybody know what the other departments are doing. Say for example, PHE department, they need water. Then Soil Conservation Department also works on that line. Water Resource Department also, they need water for their irrigation or cultivation, whatever you say. So in that case, if all the departments work hand in hand, then it is better for the state and resources can be utilized in a proper way. That's the basic idea the Honorable Chief Minister was mooting, and he let everybody an opportunity to know what the other departments are doing.
Personally, sir, how has it affected? How is it,
It is affected positively. If you tell affected, it is affected positively. Is giving us more energy to work in a better way, because you feel a sense of competition also, and it exposes your weaknesses also. So that's how it is a very good thing. Personally, I think the idea is to have investment. It may be from 1 megawatt till whatever the capacity is there. The idea is that if it is a hydel power project, state government will get 12% free power and 1% for local area development. So higher the generation, larger the share for the state. And at today's rate, we have a growth of around 11% requirement of electricity. So on that basis, we should be ready that in future we don't face so much scarcity of power. We cannot compete with larger state or bigger state where they can purchase at a high rate. That's why we are exploring all possibilities to see that some generation, either hydel, thermal, or any other, is taking place in the state. That's the basic.
Any interest?
Yeah, already some MUs are pending with us. Some are working on it. We are also working on it. Let us see.
But
By-
sir, yeah, definitely.
By
Any day. I don't know because some MOU are pending for small hydel power projects for last 10 years, like that. So now
with private party.
with private parties. So now they are showing interest to come and invest. So we told that okay, as long as we get free power, it is okay.
MOU with private.
MOU has been already signed, and we are ready to sign with new MOUs also, no problem with any party.
But sir, entry of
No, that depends on. See, I am interested in hydel also, as per private parties, because we will get 12% free power. So that is our entitlement. So no question of tariff comes in between. You got my idea? Suppose they are having a project of 100 megawatt, so state will get 12 megawatts free. So no question of tariff or nothing. The tariff will be decided by regulatory commission. Percent will be utilized for that area where the project is there for their development. If they got to sell the power to the state, everybody will come and join. But we are putting a condition that that if it is a larger power projects, that obligation of purchasing power should not be there. That means the right of refusal should be there. That is, we are insisting as of now. So all details are in there in our power policy. You can go through it, download from website, and you will find all details.
Like Rinja, Bling, Lapalang and others are facing frequent power cuts. Is it true that MECL has not paid its due to NIPCO?
No, nothing like that. Somebody might have misinformed you. Actually, we have taken RDSS works, and because of that, shutdown has been taken in that route. And I can give you some details also that work were carried out for Ompling Dongsaneng LT transformer from Ompling to Lightmouse 500 kVA. Then there are so many like 7 by 1 by 25 erection of HT poles for Ompling Dongsaneng with effect from 17:0 hours up to 15:0 hours. Like that, details are with me. This is basically we are taking up the renovation and augmentation work. Many places the poles are being changed. Then we are bringing more HT lines in the proximity. Then transformer will be installed. For this shutdown is required. The shutdown is for that. We have enhanced the manpower. We receive a lot of inconvenience. People have complained to us, and accordingly we have increased our manpower, and we have cut the stretches in a shorter space so that the frequency of shutdown is reduced, and also the area of shutdown is also reduced. So we are working on it. This is for good only, for the improvement of the power scenery in the locality. And other areas also in future will face same problems because of this. And moreover, some places we are putting this ABC cables and all these things. Due to that, this problem. ABC cable in the sense that bundle covered wires that we are putting.
How many areas, sir?
It is going on in different localities.
As
It is going through the state.
so for
It will continue till we complete the work. It will take quite some longer time. Consumers is that this is for the benefit of the consumers only, for the benefit of better power supply, for the benefit of augmentation of more transformer in the areas, for changing of HT and LT poles, and also changing of conductors. So ultimately it will help in future.
No, this Sorkar is for how many hours?
No, it depends because that's why we reduce the stretches now. So suppose it requires for 1 hour, so we cut that stretch only for 1 hour. Sometimes it goes more. because the entire area you got to change the cables. No? It's not that one pole to another pole you change and connect. It is not like that. No. There is a power. There is difference between power cut or load shedding and shutdown. Shutdown will be required whenever you require any type of repair, any type of changing of transformer or changing of wires, poles, that will be there. As of now, there is no scheduled load shedding or power cut.
But shut down every day.
Yeah, shutdown it will be required because this is the season. If we don't do, once the monsoon comes, then it will be not possible for us to do it. This is the time where we can do it.
Kapor kala day, bapinjit yaki MDC jongpi Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, but ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job, ka e ka thong, ka bakidon, ki e ki man, ki bakong san, ki bakibu hakman, kita ki de ki jinkali, ki bafidon kam man yo ya ka jubab, hashwa, bapin lek man tap ya ka vote jongpi haka arpuway tarik urampang arajar arpsan. Baik ya ka program, Phaikhmat, pat ki kertong.